Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to Apple Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that you need to select photo or few photos what you wanna move to your Apple Photos. Okay, so let's do this. Let me show you my gallery. So as you can see, there's all photos what I have, and let's find some photos what I haven't. So let's say this one I haven't it. So you can tap at this photo if you want to save only one, or just select multiply photos. I like to start with the one photo. So right here you need to click at the three dots at the right top, and at the bottom you will have download line. Tap at this line and now we have this photo in the gallery. If you want to remove it from the gallery, you can or remove it in the gallery or in the Google Photos. Now if you go to the three dots, you have delete from this device, not download. So we can remove it. And as you can see, disappear from the Photos application. Okay, if you want to save multiply photos, you need to select them. Right here at the bottom, you need to scroll down. And if you have iOS, you need to find Save to Device button. If you have Android, you will have Download button, not Save to Device. So tap at this button. And now we have 3 more. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.